Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ajutu noton recipe ani aside live day panasanay. Aju panasabu kinaubo. So I'm showing how I'm cooking. This is mushroom. Ito khuri de thake na mushroom dry aside ito. This one and the youngjak dry. Youngjak dry and the aloo. Potato na. Tahan din jun panay sabo aji ginawa ito. First time I'm also just trying. So first I'll soak by the hot water. So I'm soaking with the hot water. Itu aro itu yongjak tu jun gile panay sa gule moi phapna tu itu mushroom tu ikut smell pi nai. Aro taste pi ingredients kiki na halile ikut taste nai na mushroom original mushroom nishina tu na hoy tu khuri de thake na itu lagase. So ingredients hali aside yellow powder, chili powder, coriander powder, black pepper, pas, aro, pink salt, aloo. I'm putting mushroom. Youngchak. Mix kuri dishe to 10 minutes nishina pagabo. I think it will come delicious. Deto hoshe. Done. And here I'm cooking beef leg bone soup. The bone soup aside. Green chili. And ginger paste. I make green. 2 eggs. It's a soup. Bone soup. Beef bone soup. Salt. Our last ingredients too. Coriander leaves. Let's bite. The combination is good.